Looking for the best ironing boards in 2026? In this video, we review the top-rated ironing boards that combine durability, stability, and space-saving design. Whether you need a compact foldable option or a heavy-duty board for daily use, we've got you covered. Discover the best choices to make ironing faster, easier, and more efficient. Stay tuned to find the perfect ironing board for your home setup. Number 3. The Zabitat Full-Size Ironing Board 57x18 is a heavy-duty, feature-packed option designed for both home users and professionals who want efficiency and durability. Built with full metal construction, this ironing board feels exceptionally sturdy and reliable, eliminating the common issue of wobbling during use. Its anti-skid feet and reinforced leg design provide excellent stability, even during longer ironing sessions. With a generous 57 to 18-inch size and a spacious 47-inch ironing area, it easily handles large garments like shirts, pants, and even linens. The triple-layer surface combining foam, felt, and heat-resistant fabric ensures smooth gliding and protects clothes from scorching or sticking, even under high steam. One of its standout features is the built-in organization system. The integrated iron caddy, cord holder, and bottom storage tray make ironing more efficient, while the hanging rail keeps freshly pressed clothes wrinkle-free. These thoughtful additions transform a routine chore into a more streamlined experience. User reviews highlight its exceptional sturdiness and wide surface, with many appreciating the improved leg design and added stability. While it may be a bit of an investment, the quality and convenience justify the price. Overall, the Zabitat ironing board delivers durability, smart storage, and excellent performance, making it a dependable choice for any household. Number 2. The Brabantia Comfort Ironing Board Size Beat Denim Blue is a well-crafted, mid-sized ironing solution that combines durability, comfort, and sustainability. Built with a sturdy four-legged alloy steel frame, it offers excellent stability, eliminating the wobbling often found in cheaper boards. The non-slip feet and anti-collapse child lock further enhance safety, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. Its 49 to 15-inch ironing surface strikes a great balance between space and practicality, suitable for most household ironing tasks. The Fairtrade certified cotton cover, paired with an integrated foam layer, ensures smooth gliding and crisp, wrinkle-free results. The cover also fits snugly thanks to a stretch system, preventing shifting during use. One standout feature is the adjustable steam iron rest, which accommodates both left and right-handed users, adding versatility and convenience. The height adjustment range, 27 to 38 inches, supports ergonomic, back-friendly ironing, reducing strain during longer sessions. Users consistently praise its solid build and ease of use, with many noting that it feels more premium than typical ironing boards. While it comes at a higher price point, the 10-year warranty and eco-friendly cradle-to-cradle certification justify the investment. Overall, this Brabantia ironing board delivers long-lasting quality, thoughtful design, and a more enjoyable ironing experience for modern homes. Number 1. The Bartonelli Pro Extra Wide Ironing Board 51 by 19-inch stands out as a premium choice for anyone seeking durability, space, and professional-level performance. Designed with a heavy-duty European steel frame, this ironing board delivers exceptional stability thanks to its anti-wobble T-legs. Unlike flimsy alternatives, it feels solid and secure, even when handling large items like bed sheets or quilts. Its extra-wide 51 to 19-inch surface offers ample space, making ironing faster and more efficient, especially for quilters or those tackling bulk laundry. The 100% cotton cover paired with thick foam padding ensures smooth gliding, helping you achieve crisp, wrinkle-free results without fabric sticking or snagging. The built-in iron rest supports steam generator irons up to 15 pounds, adding convenience and safety. Adjustability is another highlight, with height settings ranging from 30 to 38 inches, allowing users to customize their comfort. It also folds easily with a secure lock, making storage simple despite its sturdy build. User feedback reinforces its quality, many praise its impressive stability and wide surface. Though some note, it is slightly heavy. Overall, the Bartonelli Pro ironing board is a reliable, long-lasting investment that transforms ironing into a smoother, more efficient task, perfect for both everyday use and heavy-duty needs. Thanks for watching our Best Ironing Boards Review 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect option for your home. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Let us know which ironing board is your favorite, or if we missed any great picks. Check the description for links and deals. See you in the next video.